How to fix problems with automated inventory reordering systems. Follow the instructions. Ensure your inventory data is accurate and updated in real time through IoT sensors and automated tracking systems. Customize reorder points and lead times based on historical sales data and current market trends. Leverage AI and machine learning for demand forecasting to reduce the risk of overstocking or stockouts. Integrate your system with other business tools like CRM and POS for a comprehensive view of customer demand. Establish flexible rules to handle sudden demand spikes or unexpected supplier delays. Provide regular training for staff to fully utilize the system's features and troubleshoot issues. Set up predictive analytics to anticipate supply chain disruptions and adjust inventory levels accordingly. Regularly review and refine reorder settings based on changing business needs and customer behavior. Thank you for watching.